Sawubona. That's a beautiful yet powerful Zulu greeting that simply means I see you. It acknowledges your presence. When we meet you, we say Sawubona. It's a way of connecting to you. It's a way of acknowledging your presence, and it's a way of telling you that your existence matters. I see you. I acknowledge you. And at times, I tend to think that we underestimate the deeper meaning of Sawubona. When we say Sawubona, it's actually a way of even acknowledging your ancestors, the ones who came before you, the people whose blood runs through your veins, your protectors, your guardians. So when a person says Sawubona, they are actually greeting you and those who carry you every day. Sawubona is also a way of showing gratitude. We see you. Your existence matters. Sawubona. When we say Sawubona, it's a way of actually saying to you, anything could have happened to you, but you're still here. You have been blessed. You have been highly favored by God. That's why you are here. Living is a blessing. So we see you. We acknowledge your existence. Sawubona. Igama lami uSibulelo, inkosazana yakwamini. And thank you so much for joining me today on this great new journey that I'm taking. This is an African lifestyle channel. It's a space where you and I will learn, grow, and glow together. It's a space where we will celebrate our African spirituality. We will celebrate young, gifted, and Black people who are making waves within our African communities. People who make music, African music, and people who create employment, people who are creating the most amazing businesses, people who are showing us what it means to be Black in 2021 and what it means to be an African creative.